What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you step by step on how to draw Tanooki Mario. Let's begin today's lesson by shifting the head over towards the left side of our page. So we're going to start right in the middle and draw an oval for the nose. So we'll start from the very top, go all the way around towards the bottom, and then we'll bring that back up towards the top. Now we're going to tuck the eyes in behind the nose, leaving a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left. We're going to draw an oval going up. Let's round out the eye, come down, and just bend that back in towards the side of the nose. Let's move over towards the right. Go up towards the same height, round out the eye, come down, and then in. Let's pull the iris and pupil towards the inside of the eye. So we're going to start from the top left, go up, come down, and then back in towards the side of the nose. Let's line this up on the right. Now I want to trace the iris along the inside. So we're going to step down, just tracing out the outside, and bring that back in. Let's add a small highlight circle along the top of the pupil. And then we'll fill the bottom of the pupils in black. Now we also want to tuck the mustache in underneath the nose. So from the bottom of the left eye, let's step down, curl the mustache going out and then up, and we'll line this up on the right. Now I'm going to add some curves along the bottom of the mustache coming back up underneath the nose. So we'll start on the left, bending this around, and then we'll bring that in. Let's add two more curves along the bottom. Down and then up in the middle, go around and then up towards the right. We're also going to tuck the mouth in underneath the mustache, starting back over on the left, down and then up. Now along the top, we're going to add one more curve for the teeth. Let's trace the bottom edge of the mouth along the outside for the chin, come down and then up. Now I'm going to go back up towards the tip of the mustache and draw in the cheeks. So from here, I'm going to step up, curve the cheek going around. Now I just want to tuck that in underneath the lip. Let's go over towards the right and do the same thing. From the top of the cheek, let's step out, curve this up, go above the eyes, across, and then back down. Now you want to round out the inside of the cheek, bend this out and up underneath the side. Let's draw in the eyebrows but tucked in underneath this curve. So we're going to start on the outside, bend this up, and then down on the inside, line this up on the right. Now I want to tuck the eyebrows in underneath. So we'll start on the inside going up and out, and the outside curve this up and in, and we'll fill the eyebrows in black. Let's draw the top edge of the hat brim, starting from the side. We go up, round up the top, and then back down on the right. Now let's draw the outside edge of the head. From the top of the hat brim, we're going to step up and add a curve from left to right, going up and then down. From the outside, draw a straight angled line coming down and then out toward the side of the head. And I'm going to round out the head and then just pull that back in underneath the cheeks. So go out, down, and just tuck that in along the bottom. Go to the right. Now the ears are going to sit on top of this angled line. So from these 2 points, curve the ear going up and then out. Let's round out the tip of the ear come down, and then in. Let's draw an oval along the inside of the ear. Start from the top, just gonna angle the oval, coming down and in, and then back up. Let's add a curve along the bottom, going up and then back down. Now we want to move down and rotate the body over towards the left. So we start underneath the right cheek, curve the arm going around towards the elbow, bend the arm coming back in. Let's wrap 3 fingers along the bottom. So we step back, curve the first finger, coming down, go up and back out. Let's layer 2 more fingers in behind. Starting from the bottom, go out, up, and in. Then 1 more, going all the way around towards the top of the hand. I just want to bring this back down towards the bottom of the arm. Let's add a thick cuff along the wrist, starting up here, curve this up, follow that curve going all the way back down, and then along the top, we'll add a fold across the arm. Now underneath the arm, let's curve the back coming in towards the leg. So we're going to go out, down, and then in. Let's step back, draw the leg going out, and then down towards the heel. Let's round out the bottom of the foot, use down, up, and then we'll round out the top of the foot, going up, and bend this back down towards the bottom. Now on top of the foot, we're going to step out and draw the knee, going out, and just bend this back in towards the hand. Let's draw the left side of the body going in behind that leg. We're going to start underneath the lip on the left side, bend the body going out, come down, and then across. Let's draw the left leg in behind. So from this point, we'll step up, curve the bottom of the foot, going out, and then up. Let's draw the top of the foot, going up, around, and then down. Let's round out the outside of the knee, going out, and then back in. Now we're going to place the left hand in behind the body. So starting at the top, start with the thumb, going up, down, and we'll bend that back up towards the top. Let's add 3 fingers along the outside. Start from the side of the thumb, draw a half oval, going out and then in. Move down, draw the second finger going up underneath the thumb, and then we'll do that 1 more time. From the bottom finger, curve the palm coming down and then up towards the body. Now I'm going to shift that body patch over towards the left. Starting from the edge of the body, I'm going to go up, and then bring this down on top of the right hand. Now along the bottom, just bend this down in behind the leg. Now we're going to move all the way over towards the right side and add in the tail. Let's start from the back, curve the tail going out, and then bend that up. Let's round out the end of the tail, going up, around, and then down. Now the tail gets narrower as you come back in towards the body. So we start from the outside, come down, and then just taper that back in. Now you want to add those thick stripes across the tail, so we'll start from the very top, start with a curve going up, and then down, leave a gap, draw another curve. Now I'm just going to continue all the way back in towards the body, just bending this out and then down towards the bottom. And then we'll finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Tanooki Mario. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you smash that like button because I'm posting new lessons every single day. Or if you want to keep drawing with me, then click on this video right here, and I'll see you again soon.